I'm Brandon Hawkins. I live in Kemp, Texas. I mostly do firearms, is what I was particularly after whenever I decided to make this impulse purchase. And man, I've been laser engraving knives, dishes, aluminum wallets, firearms, anything that I know that it'll react with and get a good product, I'm lasing it. Before I had your product, I didn't even touch a computer. I'm a welder by trade, do fabrication, and the product and the software takes all the hard work out. If I can use y'all's product, anybody can, I assure you that, because my wife realizes how I work on a computer. I do this when I'm trying to type, and still I'm making money every week with it. I could probably make enough money in the first year to pay that laser off, if I just tried. All you gotta do is try and you'll make money with that laser. Oh, it was great. Raphael's a cool dude. You know, it's nice to have somebody that you can talk with, not just learn, you know, go by the bullet points, but actually interact with, communicate, BS with, and man, he's a good teacher. Hopefully I make enough money with it to pay it off soon, and I can maybe get a CO2 laser. Hopefully I can build an empire for my kids. And then I'll own 20% of it. Yeah.